Hi, Patrice.
Hi guys,
We're going to Men's Warehouse
to get my tux for prom. We're wearing beige, champagne beige.
What the fuck?
They're too big.
Okay.
Lauren.
We're at this place called Little Sheep. I think we put the boiling broth or whatever on here, and then we just kind of dip our food inside.
My tuxedo for prom.
I think my mom didn't want to pay for it because they want to be a part of it, so I'm gonna have to pay for it. The moment he realized that we weren't paying for it, he was kind of just like, okay, here's my card. When you guys are ready, just come back in. Now we're eating because
We like food.
yes, bless
I
us.
feel like the guy just kind of kicked us out.
At Men's Warehouse.
I was walking and like this lady almost hit me with her dog.
And she was looking at me like,
And then I waved at this guy for letting me go on the street, but he just kind of looked at me
I don't think I should be nice
on this side of the island.
because everybody's kind of
mean.
You're cheating! Ow! Why are you cheating for? Why are you cheating?
get out of here.
Why are you cheating?
Leave me
You're not
alone.
supposed to be cheating. I'm gonna your teacher.
She looks like a lion too.
I got a drone. Did you guys see that footage?
It's Liddy.
Yes, bless. I'm gonna pick up Tiana and we are going. Why did I go like that? Me and Tiana are gonna go North Shore. We're gonna go fuck around with my drone. We'll take some beautiful pictures because it's been a minute since I took pictures. We're just gonna have fun. I'm gonna fill this vlog with a bunch of content. I'm gonna try to. I feel like I was talking. I was like, is my dog dead? Oh, she's breathing. Oh my god, I got scared. This is like the third beach we've like gotten to.
Stupid branch. What the fuck?
He tripped over the fucking branch 2 times in a fucking row.
Whatever.
So this bitch, he wants to play around. His nails all fucked up.
I'm bleeding.
He was chasing me around with the drone, and he's gonna put the videos in here.
Oh,
where he
oh my
was
god,
chasing
that's
me.
karma for chasing you with the
Yeah,
drone.
thank you.
This bitch won't stop laughing at me.
Karma's a bitch. Yes, bitch, you're chasing me around with your fucking drone.
I thought it was cool and I could freaking grab it and like turn it and like turn the drone off.
Apparently not.
The blade, wings,
Whatever the fuck.
I grabbed it.
Snip, snip.
My fingers are fucking numb. Tiana's peeing.
Drop it down, Tatiana.
Dick.
You know what you should throw it at?
My butt won't fit in there. Oh, what the fuck? Tiana had to pee. She went in the bush.
Tell me, I think the lady saw me.
But anyways, guys, that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.